за мной просто.
Dito sa orga kita pun periodo pelo bang ni.
Yeah. Because Georgi feel now not good.
Why?
Georgi need it little bit. Because you listen to me?
Yes.
Because he feel not so good. No, he say it a good feel. But I think need for him. Georgi, follow me, not go alone, okay? We going to Burger King. Okay. Way better for you. Okay? Huh? We need to go to home because Georgi cannot control it. Yes?
They cannot control.
Yes, he cannot control himself, yes. That's why we need to send him to hotel room. But he want to maybe eat. So many street foods. Maybe he hungry.
I think because
He-
he is hungry always.
Even he eat already. But Georgi hungry? Want it, Georgi? Okay, let's go this way, yes. Follow me. Yes, Georgi don't know where location. Mango. It's strawberry. 100. 1 kilogram, okay. No, we need to follow Georgi. We cannot buy. I won't buy, but how? No, need to follow to Georgi. Georgi know where hotel. How you know? Better?
Blush and blush.
Uh-huh.
I feel everything.
Yes, it's true.
We need to send him to the room. If need some emergency, just call to me, okay, Georgi?
If you what is this? If you feel like something inside your room, just call to us, okay?
Yes.
The other side. If you feel not good, say to us, okay? Call to us, okay?
Okay, Georgi, waiting message. Okay?
If you see some cockroach, they're big cockroach, say to us, okay?
Okay.
I will take a picture.
Okay, okay. You send me. So we're going to 7-Eleven?
Yes.
7-Eleven very close from hotel. Exchange also here. Exchange money. Rates. Oh, so many people inside. Yes, so many.
Was ist ein Heißpreis?
So cold here.
Just pass on.
Yes.
Here.
Yeah.
This one, no?
Where?
Red.
Cake. This is cake.
Or just cake.
30 peso is one, 30 peso.
It's 30 pesos? Really?
Yes. Yes.
No, it's maybe not.
30 peso, yes, 30 is 32. I want to find cheesecake. Before I bought cheesecake here.
Ah, that's one cheesecake.
This cake.
This one cheesecake.
Yes, 39. You take this one, cheesecake, one. This one. It's also cheesecake. That's why this is 30 peso. It's, don't know, chocolate.
Can we try?
Okay, if you want.
Wait, okay enough?
No, it's enough for you. Maybe, don't know. What is this?
One. We can try. No, I don't like that one.
Uh-huh.
This one we can try.
No, this is all. It's the same.
How much this one?
How much? 30 peso.
30 pesos.
30 peso, yes. Croissant, 32 peso.
Oh, this one.
This one, I don't know,
Like
30, 39 peso maybe. It's enough for you?
That's milk. That's milk. Okay.
Okay, how much? Okay, put here. Plastic one baht. Cheesecake one.
4 pieces.
ตอนแถวเห็นแถวเปล่าไม่มีก็ไปไกลไม่ขาย
ใส่แค่
ตอนเพื่อนพี่ครับใจเย็นใจเย็น
Okay.
That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe and like. Salamat.